Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 5 and today I'm going to show you a few settings I recommend to change on this watch. So let's get started. And the first setting I recommend to change is the screen brightness. By default it will adjust automatically according to the surrounding light of the watch. But if you want to set the brightness to the specific level and you want it to stay at the specific level, you can turn off the automatic brightness and then adjust the brightness manually. And to do that, you open the settings, go to the display and brightness, and here you find the auto brightness option, auto adjust brightness. You disable it, go to brightness, and now you can adjust the brightness level by swiping on the slider. And once you set it to a specific level, it will stay at that level constantly, which could be useful in some cases. I recommend to check it out. You can also adjust the brightness right here on the slider. If you open the quick panel, and if you disable the auto brightness, you can adjust it here. And if you want the watch to adjust the brightness automatically, you can simply turn it on right here, again in the display and brightness, to adjust the brightness automatically. Another thing I recommend to check and change is the sleep option, the screen timeout, because by default it will turn off the screen automatically, and for some people it might be too short, basically the time duration for the screen to be on. And you can adjust it by tapping on sleep right here in the display and brightness settings. Scroll through the list and you have auto, 10 seconds, 15 seconds and 20 seconds. I always recommend to something like 10 seconds because it's a nice sweet spot, but you can select whatever you like. Be aware though, longer periods will use more battery life on your watch, so be aware of that. And the auto will save the most power out of all of them. So if you want to increase the battery life, I recommend to use auto option, and if you want just longer screen timeout, select one, but be aware that the longer ones use the battery more. Okay, and once you select it and tap on OK, it will be applied, and now my screen will turn off after 10 seconds of inactivity. So if I won't touch the buttons or the screen for 10 seconds, it will turn off automatically, like this. Another thing I recommend to check is the sound volume. Basically, you can check or rather adjust the sound volume for different things on your watch. And to do that, open the settings again, go to sound and vibration, and here we have ringtone, alarm volume, and broadcast volume. And you can basically open one of the options and adjust the volume. This is for ringtone, so something like calls, notifications, and stuff like this. Then we have the alarm volume, so for the alarm clocks, and the broadcast volume is for the volume of the broadcast that says workout started, workout ended, and stuff like this. And since we're on the topic of sound and volumes, I also recommend to change the ringtone. That's another thing I recommend to change. You can open it again. You can open this menu by going to settings and sound and vibration, and here we have the ringtone option. And you can tap on set ringtone, and here you have quite few ringtones you can choose from. So listen to them, find something you enjoy, and once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back. Another thing I recommend to check and change is the schedule for the do not disturb mode. And this is quite useful in cases like if you sleep with the watch on your wrist on, or if you wear your watch to work and you don't want to be disturbed during work, cinema, anything like this. And schedule is useful because it will turn on the mode automatically and turn it off automatically. And to change it, you open the settings again, of course, go to the option called focus, tap on do not disturb, and here we have the scheduled option. And we have a pre-existing schedule we can turn on or off by tapping on a switch, but we can also create our own. You can tap on add time, and here we can set the start time, so the time on which the do not disturb mode should be turning on, and you have hours and minutes you can set. Then we have the end time, of course. Okay. And the repeat option basically is on which days the schedule should work. And we have days you can basically choose. And you can choose every day, only 2 days, 1 day, whatever you like. And then you can go back, and here we have our schedule. Did it not save? All right, because if you choose the days, you need to scroll all the way down and tap on OK to save it. And now we can tap on OK to create our schedule, and here we have it. And you can turn it on or off. You can edit the schedule if you want to change something for it. You can also remove it if you don't like it anymore. And I recommend to check it. It's quite useful feature. And the next thing I want to show you, the next settings, is the button shortcut. By default, it opens basically the workout menu, but you can change it. And to do it, open the menu, of course, open the settings, find the down button option, tap on it. And here we have 2 shortcuts, press once and press twice. You can't really change how the press twice behaves because it opens the payment applications. The only thing you can do is to choose different applications if you have any installed. But you can change the option for the press once. So if you tap on it, it will open the list of features right here, and you can find the feature you would like to open by pressing the lower button. And then once you select it, let's say music, if you perform the shortcut, it will basically open the thing you set for you, which is quite useful. I recommend to use it. And the last thing I recommend to check and change is the watch face. By default, we have this watch face. You can use it if you like it, but if you're bored of the default watch face, you can always change it by pressing and holding on the current watch face. And then you can scroll through the list of watch faces, find the watch face you enjoy, and once you find something, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also customize watch faces. So if you open the watch face menu, you can tap on the custom option under them. And here you can, for example, change the layout, maybe style. Oh, style will be better. Style of the watch face. Then you can swipe left and we have option to change the look of the time. And then we can change the color. Oh, this color can be customized, so we need to change the style of the watch face, okay? And this allows us to change the color as well. And you can also change the functions. So basically what is displayed on the watch face. You can tap off the function pull and select something you like, for example, steps. And let's say here I want to see the, I don't know, what can we check? Not many things. As you can see, there's limited options. So let's select sun, I guess. Okay, and then press the crown button to apply the changes. And that should be all. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.